You may not need more titles. You may need a stronger business structure around the publishing company you already have. So is the From Indie to Enterprise workshop your right next step? Let's figure that out together. This explainer covers the upcoming workshop hosted by Alicia Brown, CEO of Fruition Publishing. She's an experienced guide who truly gets the heavy, day-to-day operational pressures of running a small press.
Because at the end of the day, producing books just isn't the same thing as driving strategic growth for your business.
Here are 3 questions publishers are asking before registering from indie to enterprise.
Question number 1. Our press is already operating. Will this be too basic for us?
The short answer? No. This is definitely not a how to publish a book class. Look, activity alone doesn't mean your company is operating strategically. This is about building a much stronger structure around your revenue, your daily operations, and your growth.
Okay, question 2. We have several titles, but our income is still inconsistent. Can this workshop actually help?
Yes, absolutely. More titles do not automatically create sustainability. In this workshop, we'll examine your revenue streams, patch those frustrating profit leaks, leverage underused backlists, and pinpoint the true priorities for your operating plan. And question 3. I am completely overwhelmed running the press and doing way too much myself. Will I leave with something practical? Yes. You're going to take a hard look at your current systems, staffing, and workflows to figure out exactly what must be automated, delegated, simplified, or entirely eliminated.
Because the goal isn't just to hand you another overwhelming pile of ideas, you'll leave with a clear 12-month operating plan and a highly focused 90-day roadmap.
If one of these questions sounds like your publishing company, this workshop was built with you in mind. It runs online for 6 weeks, on Fridays, July 24th through August 28th at 10 a.m. Pacific, 1 p.m. Eastern. And just a quick heads up, only a few seats remain. Click the registration link, save your seat today, and let's build your publishing company with greater clarity, structure, and intention.